How can you become the person that you wish to be unless you live the life that you wish not to live? How can you be brave unless you felt fear? How can you be strong unless you're once weak?
Every man has two lives, and the second starts when he realizes he has just one. A happy person wants 10,000 things. A sick person just wants one thing. Don't focus on more than one desire at a time. You just want one thing and you focus on that, you'll get it.
I know of no better life purpose than to perish in attempting the great and impossible. The fact that something seems impossible shouldn't be a reason to not pursue it. That's exactly what makes it worth pursuing. Where would the courage and greatness be if success was certain and there was no risk? The only true failure is shrinking away from life's challenges.
Fear is never reaching your potential. That always falling short, always quitting before you're done, always procrastinating, always not doing the right thing. And then one day you're an old man and you look back and go, God, I could have been great. One of the most fucked up things that I've learned over time is that almost all truly exceptional and mentally strong people have been through hell. It's very few that put themselves through hell when life is great.
You don't truly appreciate relaxation unless you've worked hard. And that is the yin and the yang of life. And I've said this to the point of people getting sick of it, but one of the worst decisions a man can make is to be comfortable. I think what you should try to do is try to earn comfort.
Many battles don't even shake those who are at peace, right? And the question is, how do you find that peace? How do you find that feeling of, it's okay, it's just another battle. It's just, I've won every other battle so far, and the ones that I've lost were the best thing that ever happened to me.
Your past is not your future. You can heal. You can get past your traumas. You can fall back in love with the person that you are. You can inspire. You can influence. You can make more money. You can have greater meaning. You don't have to be depressed. You don't have to be addicted. You don't have to have the vices. But you do have to do the work. And when you do, you will take that pen back and start rewriting the next version of yourself.
Use the weekend to build the life you want, not to escape the life you have.
Average is the enemy. Success is your responsibility. And change can take place in an instant if you are willing to flip the switch.
You can't stop life from happening. You can do something about it. Life is 10% what happened to you, is 90% what you do about it. You got to stop tripping every time something happened to you like it's the end of the world. It ain't. God has seen you through all these years of your life. Why would he bring you this far to leave you?
When the pain of the current reality becomes greater than the fear of change, that's when we change. When the pain becomes so intense that it's greater than the fear that you have of the unknown, then you'll go into the unknown.
Time flies, and guys waste it. Guys waste their time doing dumb things, working for people that they hate, doing jobs that they hate, being in relationships with women that they hate. They're just miserable, man. They're completely rudderless. They don't know what to do. And that's fine, for a while. You got to be asking yourselves questions like, what the hell am I doing wasting my time on this?
I found out at that moment, nothing in life is promised except death. If you had the opportunity to play this game of life, you need to appreciate every moment. A lot of people don't appreciate their moment until it's past. Everybody wants to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.